Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are here at the amazing Porsche of Riverside. They have an amazing inventory and you should come and check it out. And if you are in the area and you come in, you make sure to contact Sherman Sims. He is a great salesperson and he can help you with any question you have about Porsches. Make sure to contact him, and I'm gonna leave his information on the description below if you have any questions. And today we have this beautiful 2020 Porsche 911 Carrera S. It is the brand new Porsche 992. That's the internal code of this Porsche. It was released early this year. Last year, because we are in 2020 right now, so it was just like maybe 3 months before the year ended. And as you can see, it's a beautiful Porsche from any angle. So far there is no manual transmission option, but Porsche claims that in the future it's going to be a Porsche 911 Carrera S with a manual transmission. I am very thrilled about that because I am a enthusiast that likes manual transmissions, and I will definitely wait to see one of those. I will be thrilled if I get the chance to drive one of those, because I will do anything I can to drive one of these with a manual transmission, because that's the pure enthusiast vehicle. They have a full inventory here in Porsche Riverside. You should come and check them out because they're going really fast. People is looking for this because it's the brand new Porsche 911 Carrera S, and everybody wants to be part of the new community of the 992 Carrera S. There will be other models as well, as the GT3, GT3 RS, and the GT2 RS, which are going to be added later. We're gonna have the Turbo and Turbo S added later as well, as a high performance versions, and the GT3s are going to be, the GT2 and the GT3s are going to be the supercars. You can get the GTS, which is going to be the best trim option with a very tight budget, because it is around maybe 150,000 bucks. Still pricey, but you get most of the GT's features without paying the high price of the GTs, like the GT2 and the GT3. So there you have it, my friends. Porsche 911 Carrera S 992 2020. A beautiful vehicle for in any angle. Porsche of Riverside hasn't. They have everything here in the IE area. We are in the IE areas and we are reviewing the IE area as well. Come and check them and you will not be disappointed. And make sure to contact Sherman Sims. He will give you a great deal. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to don't miss any content like this, because we're gonna be uploading more and more videos about Porsches in the future as well. Make sure to follow us on Instagram. On the description below there is a link for our page, and thank you for watching.